Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today, Thursday the 24th of October. 3 items. Yeah, one of those, I think they're laser cut, shiny steel kits. I've done a couple, I think, in the past. Yeah, racing car and a Star Wars thing. So I know that they can be a bit of a pain to put together. Not particularly difficult, they're just a bit small for my eyesight. Helicopter. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. 99 pence. Really need to be sitting to a table to do it. It's not the sort of thing I want to do sitting in the car and lose bits down the side of the chair. Then a little chess set, nice wooden case, plastic pieces. I have counted them, there is the right number there. Probably need to put a rubber band with it just to make sure it doesn't spring open when you put it in your handbag or something. And then this one, very similar style to a couple of kits I've done recently, but this one's marketed by Tamiya. £1.99. I think that's a good price for a Tamiya kit. I wonder if it's been assembled. I'll get a knife. Looks like it's unopened, unused. Yeah, the ones I've done recently, gearbox was already a complete unit, whereas in this one you're actually going to assemble it fully, and then you end up with a kangaroo. In other words, it must sort of jump to move forwards. I think at £1.99 that was well worth buying. Yeah. So another little job to do sometime. And that's today's charity shop Gold or Garbage. Just arrange the thumbnail a bit.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.